welcome back to the channel. Hey, no funny business. What we got going on today? Today we are heading to KMR. We have, well, I have a project that I have to take care of. Building a motor for a buddy. So we heading to the shop. He's leaving Wednesday. He got some things that he's doing. He has to race this weekend. So I'll be helping him out, seeing that I am part of his team. Pit guy, engine builder, his apprentice. So we're getting ready to head up to KMR, and I'll catch you guys when I get there. And we're back. So made it to KMR. Getting ready to head into the shop to help with some work. Excuse the lighting. It's not great lighting in here, but this is what we do. We're working on getting some lighting. As I reiterated in the last video, I'm working on building a motor for a friend, and then I'm also helping KMR, Kyle Mohan, with some of his projects, just to kind of give you a little snippet of what we do here in the shop. That is his twin turbo 2-rotor FD. We got the 3-rotor Miata sitting over there. A few, engine parts, a few things that we're working on. Engine that he's building. Just some nice little things that we are doing here in the shop. There's the man himself, the great Kyle the Menace Mohan.
There's a lot of triangles around here.
Whole lot of triangles.
Whole lot of triangles.
What you working on?
I'm working on a little.
Tell the people what you're working on.
A little Renaissance motor. It's secret.
Ooh. Shh. Shh. Don't tell nobody.
Don't tell nobody.
But this is what we're doing here in the shop. I know this lighting is horrible. We're working on it. We're working on it. Right? Right. We're working on it. So, time to get to work. Just like that, it's almost clean. Look at that. Look at that. Just a little bit more to go. A little bit more to go. It's almost there. It's almost there. It's almost there. His front part, oh yeah, that's clean. That's real good. I absolutely love cleaning these parts. So, yeah. It's almost there. I'll put it back on the time lapse, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. that is how you clean a housing. Well, I would say front cover. That's the front. Here go the back. It's all rinsed, all clean. It just makes me proud to see my good work. Oh. Ha. But yes, there it is. There you guys have it. Super clean, somewhat. Super clean Renaissance. Front cover. I always forget. I don't know what be happening in my head, but I'll be thinking that it's a front cover and it's not a front cover. Or I'll be thinking it's a rotor housing. Something like that. But on to the next thing. Getting ready to clean a front iron for my buddy's motor. And we're gonna get to it.